2 goes to... Bright Phoenix! Congratulations! Okay, galing na tayo sa Modern Dance. Napabitaw ang Bright Phoenix. Hep hep! Hep hep! How about the Night Owl? Hep hep! Hep hep! Energetic pa ba? Okay, for the Modern Dance Kids category, we have the rating of 89 and 91.8. And the 91.8 goes to... Bright Phoenix. Now we have the vocal solo. We have the rating 88 and 81.4. And the 88% goes to Night Owl. For the spoken word poetry, we have the ratings. We have the rank 1 or the first and the second. And the first place goes to Bright Phoenix. For the duet or the balitaw category, we have the ranks 1 and 2 again. And the first rank or first place goes to Bright Phoenix. For the interpretative dance, wala siya ganang interpretative, serious siya lang now, hindi ko smile. Ang emotion po pa rin yun. But very good na mo yung performance. We will make it excellent next year. We have the percent of 89 versus 94.4. And the 94.4 goes to... Bright Phoenix. And defending champion. Ang KO ang defending champion. Okay, ano? Bawi ko na po sa Bright Phoenix na kadaog na before. Sila. Wow, kadaog na before. For the dance concert, we have ranks from the first and second. And the first place goes to... Bright Phoenix.
So, I will explain ang overall champion dili ra gibalik ini ang basihan nga karon nga event kay sa Wakaybaw. So atong event nag-start pag Wednesday. Natay mga headcounts, mga laro ng ranking, daghan ta mga event. So yunat Wednesday hangtod karon, so nag-ipon ni sila og points. So dili ra kay intahay, daghan sila taog dito, daghan sila taog dire, or kuan. So, combination ni sa tanang mga contested areas gunad Wednesday. So, good luck, BP and KO!
Okay! For the final tally or the overall points nga nakuha per team, we have 18 points versus 30 points. Hala, nakuha lubong. Ladies and gentlemen,